Hi there, my name is David Crane. I founded DebateWise. This screencast provides an overview of Google Wave and will hopefully help you get used to its rather new environment. The first thing to point out is that Wave works best in Google Chrome. Wave will work in other browsers, just not as well. The second thing to say is that even with Chrome, Wave is, well, let's say clunky. It can be slow, it can be unresponsive, and it will crash every now and then. But this is very new technology and we're at the bleeding edge, so we need to accept clunkiness as part of the deal. We get to use something fantastic very early, but it won't work all the time. The actual environment itself is divided into three main areas. There's the left column with key navigation links and your contacts, the middle column is your inbox, and the right column the Wave itself. One more bit of terminology. An individual message within a Wave is called a blip. The green border around these messages indicates a blip. This is a blip, as is this, and this, and this. Green is used in quite a few other places too. At the top of the Wave you'll see a green dot next to anyone who's online. There's one on my picture, for example. And if I scroll down you'll see a green line next to the left of any blip I haven't read yet. Going back to the inbox, the green button here shows how many blips are unread in that Wave. As you read a blip, that number goes down. You read a blip by clicking on it, or, quick tip, hit the space bar and you'll be taken to the next unread blip. One of the things it becomes really important to do is manage your inbox. You'll want to know which Waves have been updated since you last viewed them. The green indicator does show this, though either it's not precise or I haven't got my head around it yet, which of course is entirely possible. It seems a Wave title will go bold if someone adds a new blip, or edits a blip, or deletes a blip, or adds a new participant, which means if you go into a blip expecting new content, you might be disappointed. The other slightly confusing thing is, Wave only counts a blip as read if you click on it. If we go to another Wave, so that scrolling through doesn't mark them as read. The green bars on the left hand side are still there. It's only when we click on them or hit the space bar that the number goes down. One thing I've found helpful is to mark all blips as read, which you do by holding the control key down and hitting the space bar. All those blips have now been marked as read. The next time you go to that Wave, you should automatically be taken to the next unread blip. The last thing this screencast will focus on is replying to messages. One of the best things about Wave is that anyone can reply anywhere in a Wave. In general, hitting reply will start a new blip under the selected blip. When I'm done, I just click done. If you want to reply at the very end of the Wave, either scroll to the bottom or hit Shift and enter. You can also reply inline by highlighting a bit of text and clicking return. Wave is a very new environment and there are quite a few things to learn, but it shouldn't take you long to get up to speed, and the best way to improve is to practice. And if you get stuck, just ask a question. There's lots of very helpful people out there. Thanks for watching.